Hi, I'm Sandra, and here's a little bit about some of the things I love doing. I love nature. J'adore growing things. I'm a mum, I'm a grandma, a sister, an auntie. And did I mention I love growing things? Salads, strawberries, blackberries, tomatoes, cucumbers. I just love growing organic food. We even managed that year to get some lovely sweet corn. That year was quite special. I'm the director of a community interest company and I run projects locally. Cooking for people in lunchtime clubs or facilitating growing. We've run play street events locally where we've closed the street and children come out to play. I love to travel. I've been to several different countries all over the world, much of Europe. I cruised the Caribbean, been to Spain, Morocco, and I'm a big gym enthusiast. Here's a quick preview of some of the food that we enjoyed whilst we're off cruising the Caribbean or Europe. Always enjoyable, always lush. Nature again, like I said, I absolutely love it. I'm dyslexic, neurodiverse. Many of these images are what I've used over the years to help me to learn to read, encourage me, and for me to help others to do the things that they want to do in their lives as well. As much as I like to grow, I love to cook. And I cook and use all the produce that I grow. I love cooking all sorts of things, all sorts of variety of food from different cultures. My next favourite is green drinks. I have a green drink of some sort, of some element or some sort of fruit or vegetable drink every single morning. I'm a grandma of 5 grandchildren and here's the youngest. Isn't he adorable? More about the food I love to prepare. Salads, I'm vegetarian, vegan food. More about the growing of different vegetables and fruits. And that's some of who Sandra is and what Sandra likes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment if you see anything that you find interesting. Like the video and subscribe. You know it all helps. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it. Good vibes, good vibes, good vibes, good vibes. Been waiting so patient, I'm going places, can't fake it. My heart is so cold, my energy is good vibes, good vibes.